We're gathered here today to wave goodbye to the one and only legendary Melissa the washing machine. She has lived 11 years, which is a pretty long run for a machine like her, but she has decided to give out with the F-01 errors. And I don't want to go into too much detail about why Melissa's going away. All I could ever tell you is that we couldn't find the part. So I'm pretty tired of crying. I've done cried multiple times about her getting replaced. So she's sitting out here in a garage right now. She ain't gonna be here very long. So 2013 to 2024. Rest in peace, Melissa the washing machine. You will definitely be missed.